Hey guys, so today is June 18th and I am almost done with my DIY micro locks. So I decided that I was gonna do micro locks on myself about 2 weeks ago. So I started planning, watching videos. I started watching YouTube and researching different grid patterns and different techniques that you can use to install your micro locks. So what I went ahead and I did is I contacted my sister, who is a hairstylist, so that she can part my hair for me, and then I would just go ahead and use human hair extensions to install the micro locks. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how you can install your own micro locks. Please keep in mind that I am not a loctician, I am not a lock expert. I just did my own research and I figured out what worked for me. So the products that I use is I use human hair extensions. So it comes in bundles like this, and what you do is you just pull out the amount of hair that you want to use. So typically I would pull out a small amount like this, fix it, and twist it. Once I have my set extension parted out, I would pick out a section of hair that I want to install it into. So here I have a little section out here. And then I use my crochet needle. I'm gonna put the crochet needle, hook the hair, pull it through, and then braid and twist. I'm also using the Talia YG Tight Hold custard or gel to help me get the hair, my hair and the extensions nice and smooth together, especially because my hair is currently relaxed. So I don't want any frizzes hanging out, I don't want it to stick out, and I don't want it to come out. So I use that Tight Hold gel to keep it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do it, and then I'm gonna continue with the rest of my hair, and I'll come back at the end so you can see what my final results look like. Oh, and of course I'm using these duck clips to help me move the hair out of the way. So once I have the hair added to the extension, I don't know if you can see, it makes 3. I'm gonna use this 3 to do my braid. So before I do the braid, I'm gonna add a little bit of the gel to the base so that the braid can lock in. So I have my gel, and I just take a little bit and add it to the base of the braid. And once I feel comfortable, I'll take my hair and add it to one side and begin to twist. But before I twist, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the gel so that the hair smooths together. I do tend to borrow from one side so that the twist can stay in place and it will be less likely for the twist to unravel. And once I've gotten to the bottom of it, I add a little bit more gel to seal the end and I put it away. So I'm just gonna tie all of the twists that I have already installed. I'm gonna tie it to the back so it's out of the way. Gonna take out my bottom row. And I'm just tying it with a rubber band. And I'll do one more on camera. So I have my twist, my crochet needle, and I'm gonna make sure that the hook is open. I place the crochet needle in the base of the braid. I hook the hair on, close the latch, and I take one side of the twist and I grab my hair and I pull the rest of the extension through the base. Now I'm gonna make sure that it is evenly parted on my hair. Add a little gel and begin my braid. Okay. Once I feel comfortable, I'm gonna add my real hair to one of the sections. Let's see, I'm gonna choose this one because it's smaller. And before I begin twisting, I'm gonna add a little bit more gel and I twist. And I'm gonna pull off any excess hair that I have and put it to the side and continue to twist. And then I would add gel as needed. Pull off the excess, and then add a little gel as I come to the end of this twist. Go ahead and do a little twist and put it to the back. So I have about this much hair. And then I roll it. Then I have my hair. Like that, you have 3 pieces. So add the gel to the base and begin the braid. Once you feel comfortable, go ahead and add it to one side, add a little bit more gel, and twist. I'm gonna go ahead and continue and finish up these last 2 sections, and then I'll be back to show you my results. I'm down to my last one. So this is my last one that I need to do, and then I'll be done. Alright, so I have finished my whole head of mini twists with my human hair extension. This is how much I have left. In total, it took me about a week to complete this hairstyle. The only reason why it took that long is because initially when I ordered the hair, I only ordered 2 bundles. And I ended up running out of the first 2 bundles, so I had to wait and order a 3rd bundle. And that took about 5 days to get here, so I kind of took a break in between, and then I went ahead and I finished my hair today. My last steps to completing my micro locks are to interlock my roots and then to give myself a trim so that the hair grows out evenly. So my plan is to continue to trim as the hair grows out, all the way until when I don't have any more extensions left. Please stay tuned to see how my hair grows out. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below, and please check the description box for the link to the hair that I use. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and I'll see you in my next one.